The problem that I'm having today is that the space in the door, you know, even though I painted the car, I just sanded here a little bit, but even though I thought that this was good when I assembled everything, turns out when I open the door, that, you know, when you open the door, you can see that the door touches the body like just like a millimeter. So what I'm going to do, and you can say that the space here is a little more than the space over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a shim on the bracket there. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. So here's the bracket, and it's a pity because it's a nice flat space. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the two bolts, and I'm just going to put these washers in between, like maybe, like, I'm going to try with one and see what it looks like. I'm only going to do that on the top thing here. How do you call this again? Hinge, on the top hinge, not on this one. This one, the space is good, so just here, so it tilts the door a little bit this way.